In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how to morph two different shapes in each other. That is, how to do the morph effect. In a very basic sense, we are going to morph two shapes that we have drawn on the scene. For this, I created a new composition for a few seconds. And then we are going to draw a shape on the scene. We can draw the shape we want from the toolbox just above. By clicking on it, we can see the other options. I'm going to draw a circle, so I click on the circle and press Shift on the keyboard to draw a circle on the scene. The reason for pressing Shift is that I want it to be a full perfect circle, and we can change the color. Let's make it a yellow color, and I center it in the Align panel, both horizontally and vertically. Now we are going to draw another shape, so we will make a morph effect between the two shapes. This time let's select the star to make it different, and I'm going to select the star by pressing the Shift key again. I'm going to center it both horizontally and vertically. After we have made these drawings on the scene, you will see polystar here because we have drawn a star. Let's open this, and I right click on Path and select Convert to Bezier. Now we'll do the same thing below. I select Ellipse and right click on Path and select Convert to Bezier Path. Now let's expand the timeline a little bit more because we will need it. We will give keyframes to the feature inside these paths. Let's make sure that our timeline is at the beginning. I open the path and give a keyframe to the path inside it. I give a keyframe to the other one, and then I copy the bottom keyframe. With the path of the top layer selected, I move the timeline forward a little bit and paste the keyframe we just copied here with Ctrl V. Its position will probably change. Let's take the selection tool and let's move it over the other one, and we can make the bottom one invisible or even delete it. Now, when I move the timeline, notice here, what will it look like? As you can see, this is the animation of moving from one shape to another, and this is called the morph effect. The position of this one is also shifted. I'm going to fix that right away. I've adjusted it by playing a little bit with the selection tool. It had an effect like this. You can even use the align buttons directly when you make a selection. Now I have centered it both horizontally and vertically, and when we look at its appearance on the scene, we have created such an animation. Now let's add a star at the end. Let's center this keyframe roughly, and I will add the keyframe at the beginning to the end, and when we play the animation, we can see that there is a nice transition between each other. If we want to soften these movements a little bit more, I select all three keyframes and press F9 on the keyboard. So we get a softer animation, and this is how we have completed the morph effect. You can extend this effect much more, of course. That's it for this video. If you learned some cool new stuff from today's video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you for watching.